Hello, this is Musa from Quality Progress. Today I am talking regarding garments, quality auditor key skills, and buying QA key skills, and what's their goals. So there are many skills out there, but to be garments QA auditor, you have to learn how to conduct inspections and what is the customer requirements and what is the inspection procedures and what is the garments manufacturing process, and you have to learn about auditing process and DCLs. DCL means defect classification list, and based on the multiple customers and how to measure. You have to learn how to measure these garments and all QMS procedures as well. You have to be competent on English speaking and computers as well. Same way in the buying QA. As a buying QA or buying QC, he have to be competent on the based on customer requirements, such as he handle 4 and 5 customers. So that time he have to be competent on his customer requirements. He have to learn 4 and 5 customers requirements, so that once 50 concerned person come to him for to understand anything regarding these customers, he can say fluently and he can give the any decisions quickly. In the same way, QA in garments QA, garments manufacturing companies QA have to know running customer requirements like garments quality auditor leading 2 lines. So those 2 lines customer requirement he have to know because he working here for two types of job like offline quality assurance and online quality assurance. So offline quality assurance means to start operations, to start process, he have to ensure all those things like a plane. So plane want to be fly, so that time he check all those engines, and when he declare okay pilot now you can fly, that time he'll fly. So quality assurance working like that in offline process. So before flight Q auditor ensure all engines are okay for flying. So same way, garments Q auditor also working same way. Before start any process, before starting operations, garments Q auditor ensures these process materials are okay. These process panels are okay. These process are okay for next step. So this is the one things, and when a process is running, operation are running, that time you working for prevent defect, because as you see the quality assurance definitions, QA means quality assurance and his work like proactive. Proactive means preventive based. Before start any occurrence, he takes steps so that this problem can never happen in this process. So he work like this way. Okay, so I'm talking about the definition of QA. QA definition means quality assurance is a way of prevent defect and mistake in manufacturing process and ensure garments are defect free before shipment. So here are the two stages on this definition. First is QA working for prevent defect and mistake in manufacturing, and second, before shipment, QA ensure those garments are defect free. So if you see the before sewing, before finishing, they're working here offline and online quotations process. Like if have a Q is there in fabric inspection process, he just ensure the process are okay, and trim inspection as well. Like cutting QA auditor. So cutting QA auditor also ensure the randomly audit the cut panels. Cut panels are okay as per customer requirements. And as also others, all processes are there, and quality process owner they are working as per procedure. So QA auditor just to follow up all those processes are okay as per customer requirements, and he conduct the cut panel audit randomly 20%. So same way in swing line, they also ensure the all incoming panel, cut panels, and processes are okay here for swing. And on swing start, he conduct the traffic light procedures and find out the which processes are not acceptable and up to the mark and not following the customer standards. So he also working here for on process quality control and prevent mistakes and defects. Okay, but in finishing stage, we working for find out and ensuring garments are defect free to hand over the customer. So in finishing stage, you see they are key auditor they are for 2 hours audit. Once finishing, quality team ensure a get off and all those things with them and all those things. Then 2 hours auditor are there. They conduct 2 hourly audits based on the lot. Okay. Then when they confirm all those things are okay, then they it's passed to the certificate. Then it go to the certificate process, pack complete, and cartoon as well complete. That time they also again conduct the cartoon audit to ensure to re-ensure all those cartoon are as per customer requirements, cartoon shipping bar, all those things are as per customer requirements. So here to be perform better and to be quality inspector level to QA level to be quality auditor to buying user level. So you have to learn a lot of things like first of all customer requirements. Requirements not only packaging requirement, not only quality manual, not only how to measure, not only this customer DCL, defect classification list, you have to learn a lot of things. Whatever the customer requirement are there, you have to learn all those things. Then garments manufacturing process. Manufacturing process like garments, trim associate in-house to shipment. Whatever the required process are, they are chain based. Chain. So all those requirements, all those garments manufacturing process, you have to know for better understanding and find out the actual solutions where the discrepancy and defeater find that time he can put his decisions very quickly. So garments manufacturing based skills, customer based skills, and how to measure what is the measurement procedure for based on the customer. Different customer have different how to measure procedure. So all customer requirement not same. So I'm talking all customer requirement not same means uh, see some customer measuring waist inside to inside, some customer measuring waist in chest, some customer measure the waist in curve, some customer measure the waist in straight, some customer measure the waist upper and lower. So it's based on the customer requirement. So customer requirement means how to measure manual. So you have to understand that how to measure manual and what is the record process. Then again, DCL. DCL means defect classification list. So defect based on the customer requirement. Some process, some customer any defect declare is a major. Some customer declare this defect is a critical. So for ensuring those garments are defect or defective major or critical, so you have to ensure what is the DCL in this customer. So this is also very important here. Then QMS procedure. QMS means quality management systems. Here, you know the broken needle policy, fabric inspection procedure. All those procedures are there. You have to learn all those procedure. QMS procedure you have to learn for better understanding and better perform better. Okay. So sometimes by QA sometimes have to conduct the technical audit uh, in his suppliers and his areas or factories. So again, I have to say you have to learn English. English like you have to speak fluently. You have to deal with the customer. So different customer have different requirements and different accent is there. So like some customer foreigner, you have to deal with Hong Kong, you have to deal with UK, you have to deal with USA, you have to deal with France, you have to deal with China. So you have to know the main core accents of English so that all understand, so all people can understand your English. Same based English you have to learn, and so that you can exchange your opinion to any time in your common English process and language. As the same way, you have to learn computers, office programs, and softwares. Like most of the company use their own software, like Keyboard, Solvate, Karma, like this different tools and apps are there for using. They're using for their inspection process and maintain and track all those data. So you have to learn how to browsing, how to using apps, how to using Microsoft Office program like Excel, PowerPoint. This is a key skill. You have to learn those things are mandatory for QA and by QA skills. So today there's no more. Hopefully you understand the what is the skills need to be for QA and buying QA to be to perform better and to mm, go to career. Okay. So what is the goals? Goals may different goals are there. Buying QA goals are different and garment QA goals are different. So I'll talk in the next video the goal. What is the goal for next process as a QA and buying QA garment QA goals. So I'll talk. Hopefully this video will be helpful for all, right? So today I make the video in English version so that all can understand the QA process and QA skills to grow their uh, careers. Okay. So today there is no more. Hopefully all will be okay. Thanks.